a list of numbers has 6 positive integers. So all 6 are positive integers. 3 of those integers are known, 4, 5 and 24, and 3 are unknown, x, y and z. The 3 unknowns are known to be distinct. So all the 3 unknown numbers are different numbers. No 2 of them can be same. Different integers, because all 6 of them are integers. It's also known that mean is 10 and the median is between 7 and 8. So now in such questions we need to see what restrictions are given to us. For example, mean of 10 numbers, 6 numbers is 10, so their sum would be 60. So 4, 5 and 24, these 3 are already given, and the 3 unknowns, their sum must be 60. So sum of 3 unknowns must be 27. This is one restriction that we have, one condition. Second, the median must be between 7 and 8, exclusive. Exclusive means it cannot be 7 and 8, it should be something between 7 and 8. Now if we have 6 terms, as is the case here, and if we arrange them in ascending order, the median would be the average of the middle two. So if a and b are the middle two numbers, so a plus b by 2, this would be the median. That should be between 7 and 8. So the sum of a and b must be between 14 and 16. Exclusive, that means it cannot be 14, it cannot be 16. But both a and b are integers, so definitely their sum has to be an integer. And the only integer between 14 and 16 has to be 15. So sum of the middle two terms, when we arrange all the terms in ascending order, has to be 15. So that thing also gets fixed. Now our options will be very limited. For example, if we start with 5, question is which of the following cannot be the value of any of the unknowns. So can 5 be the unknown value, one of the unknowns? So 4, 5 and 24, these are already given to me. Sum of the unknowns has to be 27. So is it possible that one of the unknowns is 5? And remember, the sum has to be 15, so one of the unknowns has to be 10. And to get the sum 27, these 3 would be our unknown numbers. That's totally fine. All 3 are distinct. It doesn't say all 3 must be distinct from other numbers. No, all 3 within themselves should be different. So 5 is entirely possible. It satisfies all the given conditions. Is 10 possible? We've already seen that 10 is one of the possibilities. So 5 is out, 10 is out. 12 is one of the options. 12 is also possible. That is also out. Between 11 and 13. Let's see if 13 can be the possibility. So 13 is one of the numbers. Now see, the sum of middle two terms has to be 15. Now if one of the terms is 10, and can we make them two middle terms? Yes. If one of the terms is 4. So 4, 10 and 13. These could be our 3 unknown numbers. Two middle terms would be 10 and 5, sum would be 15. That condition is okay. All 3 must be distinct and their sum should be 27. That is also fine. So 13 is also possible. That cannot be our answer. 11 is the only possibility. Now let's check for 11. 4, 5, 11 and 24. Now for one of the, for sum of the two middle terms to be 15, it should be either 10 and 5, the middle two terms. But in that case, 10, 5 and 11. So if we consider this 5, so 5, 10, 11, the third middle term has to be 6. Okay. So in that case, 6 and 10 will become middle two terms. So that is not possible. Some of the middle two terms has to be 15 only. And another possibility, if we check with this, let's say 11 is one of the terms and one of the unknowns. Now we cannot have 4 inserted in between 5 and 11, because 4 means when we arrange the terms in ascending order, 4 will come here. So we cannot have 4 here. So 11 is not possible as one of the unknown values. That's our answer.